How does MoneyGram work? MoneyGram looks simple. Send money, someone picks it up. But the moment you're stressed, in a hurry, or sending to a new recipient, small details can turn into delays. The biggest surprise is that sending money isn't one thing. It's a set of choices that change the cost, the speed, and even what the recipient has to do. There's one detail that makes MoneyGram feel easy instead of stressful. I'll come back to it at the end so it sticks. What is MoneyGram? In plain English. MoneyGram is a service for sending money domestically and internationally, usually to another person. You can use it to move funds across borders without both people needing the same bank, and in many cases without the recipient needing a bank account at all. That's why it's popular for family support and time-sensitive transfers. It's designed to work in real-world situations where just do a bank transfer isn't practical. But because it's built for many countries and many receiving methods, the experience depends on the path you choose.
How does MoneyGram work? Step by step.
You start by choosing where the money is going and how the recipient will receive it. That choice matters more than most people think. Then you enter the amount and see the total cost and estimated delivery timing. After that, you provide the recipient's details, which need to match the receiving method. Finally, you pay and confirm. Once it's sent, you get a reference or tracking information so the transfer can be located and completed. This is where people get tripped up. The same sender, the same recipient, and the same amount can behave differently depending on the funding method and payout method.
This is general info, not financial or legal advice.
How does the recipient actually get the money? With cash pickup, the recipient goes to a supported location and follows the pickup requirements. The details must match their identity information, and that's why spelling and names matter. With bank deposit, the money is sent to the recipient's bank account using the details you provide. That can be convenient, but it can also take longer depending on bank processing. Sometimes there are receive options like wallet-style delivery in certain places, but the key idea is the same. MoneyGram doesn't just send money, it routes money through a specific receiving channel. If the recipient can't use the channel you chose, the transfer can slow down or become a support problem. Real-world use and the mistakes that cause delays. The most common mistake is choosing a method based on what's easiest for the sender, not what's easiest for the recipient. Another common mistake is rushing recipient details. With cash pickup, mismatched names or missing information can stop the pickup cold. With bank deposit, one wrong digit can send you into a delay spiral. People also assume speed is automatic. Some transfers can be fast, but timing depends on verification steps, local hours, and how the transfer is funded. And one more mistake, treating the fee as the whole cost. The true cost is the total you pay versus what the recipient receives, which is shaped by exchange rate and transfer fees together. What to watch for safely, especially with scams and disputes. Money transfers are powerful because they're direct. That also means you should treat them as high-trust actions.
If you're paying someone you don't fully know, slow down. Verify the recipient, confirm the purpose, and be careful with urgent pressure tactics.
If something feels off, it's usually smarter to pause than to just send it. Also, keep your own records. Save confirmations and reference details so you're not reconstructing the transfer later from memory. If you ever feel stuck or uncertain about a transfer, it's smart to contact the provider through official support channels. Closing the loop, the one detail that makes it easy. Here's the detail I promised. MoneyGram works best when you decide based on how the recipient wants to receive. Pick the receiving method first, then confirm the recipient details, then confirm the final they get amount before you hit send. When you do it in that order, MoneyGram usually feels straightforward. When you don't, it can feel unpredictable, even if you did nothing wrong. So, the simplest mindset is this. MoneyGram isn't one service, it's a set of routes. Choose the right route and the whole process gets easier. And don't forget to check the description for helpful resources that will make things easier.
If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more.